Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. If you guys are new here, we do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, and some stuff in between. We're going to be talking about this beautiful wig. You're going to want to stick around for more details. Today's hair sponsor is NeatAndSleek. This is actually my third collaboration with them. I love NeatAndSleek. If you guys have watched my braided wig reviews, you'll know that NeatAndSleek is definitely my favorite company when it comes to braided wigs that I've tried so far. So I'm super excited to finally bring to you guys the full lace braided wig. This wig is in the 1B color and it is waist length, so it goes down pretty low, as you can see. Before we jump into the install portion of this review, I wanted to show you guys the wig on the mannequin head just so you can get a real good glimpse of the unit not on my head before we install her. So this is what she's looking like. As you can see, the parts are so clean. This is more like a freestyle parting. They're kind of just randomly placed. And of course, you guys, this wig is braided on a human hair wig. So it's actually braided on a human hair full lace wig. So as you can see here, there are braids everywhere, even down to the nape area. And there is a piece of lace there, so you can secure the back as well if you wanted to. But I wanted to show you guys my old unit. So this is the Knotless 13x4 unit that I have, and I love this wig, you guys. The only difference is the back. So the back, as you can see, it is more noticeable because of course it's not braided on a full lace wig, but when you have it installed, you don't notice it like that unless you put all the hair up or some of the hair up where it shows. But you guys, this is the old wig that I have and I still love her. She's still going very strong. For today's install, we're not going to be using a ball cap, and we are also not using any glue. We're just going to be using the Ebon Wonder Lace spray to secure her. I kind of marked off this part there because I wanted to know where to cut into the lace for my ear tabs. I'm looking at some pieces that I'm going to remove. I already snipped one off because this wig is actually too big for me, so I'm having to cut some away. So I definitely can't stress enough how important it is to customize these units to fit your head. This particular unit is fitting a bit big. I could have gone down a size even to the small size. So I do recommend, if you guys are getting this unit, to go down one size because of the 360 lace. It just naturally has more room on the wig compared to like the 13x4 or 13x6 units. So keep that in mind, you guys. And right now I'm just going to be customizing it some more. I'm going to create some sideburns, so I'm cutting away one of the braids and I'm going to take that hair out. I'm going to pluck it because obviously it is pretty full as it is right now, so we're going to pluck to thin it out to create a more natural looking sideburn. So I haven't decided if I'm going to remove this one. It looks like it's too far into my forehead, so I might just add them into baby hairs. See this lace here? It goes too far down right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part off. So I'm going to lose a portion of the pre-made baby hairs. These wigs are standard made, right? So like you have to customize it if you really want it to look realistic for your hairline. So far, I'm really impressed with this unit. Already, I can tell how realistic it looks. you can definitely see the quality in these full lace wigs. Now it's totally different than the other version that I have that I showed you guys in the beginning, because you literally have braids everywhere. And again, this is not a knotless braided wig, so the braids I think look more natural this way. And you guys, think about all the time you're saving. You don't have to, you know, sit in the chair for 12 hours. I know for one, when I did my single braids, those used to take me 24 or 36 hours to do myself. You can literally do this install within 30 minutes start to finish. The next time you install it, it's going to be like maybe 10 minutes. Like, it's super effortless. You can secure the back if you want, or you don't have to. It's just so convenient. I love the fact that you can just put it on and take it off, and it lasts a really long time. Personally, for me, it's the construction. They make these wigs so well, and they are so durable. As you can see, I'm yanking on those baby hairs and absolutely nothing's happening to the lace. I'm not even worried about it. It looks just the same. So pretty. And look at the baby hairs. They're a perfect amount of baby hairs. When you pull a few out, do a little swoop, it's just looking so good, so natural. And tell me those braids don't look like they're coming out of my head. Like, wow, I'm so impressed. And look how many braids there are on this unit. It's so full. Like, they do not skimp out on these wigs, you guys. The hard part's done. Now, I had to do a bit of customization to this unit because the lace was too big for me. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray one more spray kind of all around the hairline, and then I'm gonna put a band on and sit for a few minutes. And you guys, we are just about done with the install. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. I was worried that because it was like a 360 lace, I wouldn't know how to secure it. But guess what, honey? You don't even need to secure the back because there's combs back there. You can just hook the comb onto your head and you are good to go. But if you want to secure her, just spray some hairspray or glue her down, get someone to help you. But it literally is do-it-yourself friendly. Is that a thing? Do-it-yourself friendly? Just making up stuff now. I'm just gonna put some styling lotion on this wig. Doesn't need it, but I'm just being extra at this point. Why not? Might as well take it there. And we're gonna do, you know, some cute little styles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around. You're gonna see some more styles and you're gonna get my final thoughts. But I can tell you guys right now, you need this unit, you guys. It is a straight fire. And it is waist length, so it goes down pretty low, as you can see. And you guys, I am 5'9", so I'm pretty tall. If you're shorter, it's definitely going to be touching your butt, but for me, it's not going to be doing that because I am like pretty much a giant. So anyways, guys, I really like this wig. This is one of the styles that I did for this unit. It took me a while to kind of figure out the baby hairs on this unit, but we finally got there. I decided to take some of the braids out. As you can see, I took those braids out. I cut a few off of the side here to fit my face shape. I have the medium size and I could have used the small size. I needed to make it fit tighter, so I basically pulled it more forward, and with doing so, those braids like just went too close, so I just removed them and I was able to get the wig to fit really flat to my head, which I am loving now, and it's just very comfortable. I actually don't even notice it on my head at all. And we did some baby hairs, we did pluck a lot of it and just tweak it to make it look the most realistic for me, and I love how it came out. Super pretty. This is the hairline up close. It doesn't look like a braided wig at all. So you guys can see there's, you know, a bunch of styles that you can do with this unit. This is what the wig looks like fully down. Looks cute like this too. Like, you can wear it whichever way. You can kind of toss it over. I kind of like the tossed over look personally. So the messy kind of tossed over look. Those are the few styles that I could come up with off the top of my head. I do want to show you guys the parting space so you can see what it looks like parted. Now, it's not really a straight line. Like, there isn't really a straight line anywhere. It's kind of just like a random parting space. So if you wanted to do it down the middle, that's kind of what it would look like. I did notice that this lace is a little bit darker than the one that I had before, so that's something to be aware of as well. And of course, in the back there is a little panel that is a little bit darker. Curious to see what it looks like on camera because it does have a slight different color there. I think it's just for the structure of the wig, so it's not noticeable if you're looking and you're wearing it, so I wouldn't worry about that too much. See the braids, like they're knotted, they're not knotless. Do you prefer the knotless braids or like the knotted braids? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you're looking for a braided wig and you want like that box braid look, these wigs look very realistic and they will fool just about anyone. No one will be able to tell that it's a lace front wig. If you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section as well. And if there is a coupon code, I'm going to leave that in the description box, and also the link for this unit if you want to purchase it will be in the description box. If you made it this far into the video, you are the MVP, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you made it this far, you might as well subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads and giveaways that I do on my channel. I gotta run. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.